GB-50 Vertical Trash Compactor Machine. The GB-50 Vertical Trash Compactor is a compact and powerful solution for industrial environments. A standard waste bin can be placed directly into the machine. Its strong hydraulic piston compresses waste up to 5 times. It reduces waste volume, saving both space and time. The bottom drainage outlet allows for easy disposal of liquids. With its CE-certified structure, it ensures safe and long-lasting operation. Thanks to its vertical design, it provides an efficient solution even in narrow spaces. Contact us now to request a quote.